Hi, so we're here at the end of the river trail at at the Z Bend in Kalbarri National Park. Um, it was about a 2 kilometer walk down here. Quite a nice walk down. I don't think it's going to be a pleasant walk up. uh, yeah, lots of walking through the crevices of the gorges, overlooking the cliff faces. Lots of red rocks, sheer cliffs, very loose sandstone in this area. Definitely watch your step. And the river is flowing pretty rapidly for summer, but we just had some crazy cyclones in the last month up north in the north region of Western Australia, and it's been pushing all the water down to the central region of Western Australia, and it's coming down south as well. So Perth has been hit by a couple of storms in the last few days, and Kalbarri as well has been getting all the runoff of the water flowing through the Murchison River. So yeah, beautiful place. I would like to come back here to do some astro, but it is very treacherous to make this the track down to the river's edge. I might do a few up at the gorges area, where it's not too difficult to get to at night. Anyway, as for now, it's getting pretty hot. I think we're gonna head back up the trail before the heat of the afternoon. And yeah, we're wearing this fly net because of the amount of flies, the persistent flies in this area. Alright, so I'll check back with you guys once I'm back at the car. Ciao! Hey, I just had to stop by the side of the road because I saw a tawny devil on the side of the road, and you know they're quite endangered, they're quite rare over here, and it's quite special to see one. And it was just in the middle of the road, so it's like, you know, I actually picked it up and put it into the bush, so it doesn't get crushed. But damn, that was exciting. Good stuff. Yeah. Alright, so we've just arrived at nature's window. Look at these flies, my god! Yeah, so it's looking like a good night. It's quite clear. Conditions are pretty good. The wind is not too bad as well. Just the flies are crazy at the moment. Hopefully they disappear after sunset. Yeah, so we're gonna head down to nature's windows, which is around 300 meters down that direction over there, and we'll see if we can capture a photosphere of nature's window under the night sky. Okay, let me get out of here. The flies are crazy, right? Alright, now that I'm something in a bit more appropriate. Look at these flies. My gosh. Okay, so we're gonna be using the Nikon Z6 mirrorless camera, 24 megapixel backside illuminated sensor, and I've been using it for a while for astrophotography now, and I really like the quality of it. What I don't really know though is using the lens that I'm filming this with is the Nikon 35 1.8S line lens. I don't usually shoot with 35mm lenses, especially for panoramas. I tend to use between 20 to 24 millimeters or so, one of those focal lengths, but I just want to try a 35 millimeter photosphere. So the panorama mount that I'll be using is called a GigaPan Epic Pro robotic panorama mount. And this system allows me to automate the entire panorama, so I don't have to pan the camera from shot to shot. The mount does it for me, and I find that it's highly accurate and easy to use. It's a bit bulky to carry around, but the quality of the images that it produces or allows me to capture is more than worth it to bring it around. So the GigaPan estimates we'll be taking 77 shots for an entire 360-degree photosphere, shooting in landscape orientation. So after I finish filming this, I'm gonna just put this camera onto the GigaPan and walk all the way down to nature's window, and we'll stay there for the next hour or so until it gets totally dark, and hopefully we'll get something good tonight. Yeah, it is clouding up a little bit. Hopefully that clears. The wind is in a favorable direction, it's blowing clouds away from us here. Alright, so I'll just catch back with you guys later on. Ciao! Alright, so I'm here at the nature's window. There's a few stragglers around, some, yeah, a couple of tourists. Yeah, not long now. It's currently 7 o'clock. It gets totally dark at about 7:30 or so. Just wait for the tourists to leave, and we'll do some shots tonight. I think it's quite clear tonight. I think we're gonna get some nice shots. So the good thing about when it goes dark